Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert enter text into table all at once in Microsoft Word for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Word software. So now you can see I have some already present text as you can see here. So now in order to insert, most probably what we used to do, we'll just select this insert tab and we're gonna select this table, right? And we're gonna select this table short, but it's not making our text into table. So you might be thinking, let us select it and let us select the table and let us select. So you can see here now I can't select those tables from here. So now in order to convert this enter text into table, what you need to do is just select all the enter text and now just click on this insert again and click on this table. Now just click on this insert table. Voila, now you can see here we have convert the enter text into table all at once. So you can do this same method using a computer keyboard shortcuts also. So let me show you. So firstly press Ctrl A on your computer keyboard to select the enter text, and now on your computer keyboard just press Alt and now press N, now press T, now press I. So this is by the computer keyboard shortcuts. So here you can do the two methods whichever you find convenient for you. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert enter text into table all at once in Microsoft Word for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.